Hey, so if you're looking for work from home opportunities, finding remote jobs on Glassdoor is actually pretty easy once you know where to click. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to find remote jobs step by step. First, go to the Jobs tab on Glassdoor. This is where all job listings are shown in one place. Next, type the job you want. So, like data entry, customer support, or graphic designer. Now here's the important part. Set the location to remote. This filters out office jobs and shows only work from home options. If you see a filter option, make sure remote is selected. I mean, sometimes you'll also see hybrid or on-site options, so double check that. All right, now scroll through the results. Look for job titles that clearly say remote, work from home, or flexible location. Next, open a job listing and make sure it really is remote. So, check the description carefully because sometimes it says remote but has conditions. And if it looks good, just save it or apply right away. This helps you keep track of the best remote opportunities. So that's how you find remote jobs on Glassdoor. Once you use the filters properly, it becomes way easier to find legit work from home jobs.